Sachi Hawaii's David Reese here. Aloha! Welcome to this week's 60-second open house. Today's open house features a masterfully crafted island-style koa wood retreat in the Royal Vista building in the Punchbowl neighborhood, which is centrally located with easy access to downtown, Ala Moana, and Ward Village. This breezy and cool upper floor unit features panoramic, diamond head, ocean, and mountain views. It has 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, with 1,179 square feet of indoor living space. As you can see, it also features beautiful koa wood with exquisite finishings throughout. Come check it out with me! The Royal Vista building is conveniently located, making for easy commutes to anywhere on Oahu. If you have any questions about this building or this unit in particular, please do not hesitate to give me, Damon Reese, a call. And aloha!